In previous chapter, we discussed about charges at rest. In that chapter, we study about charges at rest. But in this chapter, we discuss about charges in motion. Electric current is very familiar in our household or our surrounding. The current in household wiring, in light bulb and in electrical appliances are very familiar to all. A beam of electrons, a current moves through the evacuated space in the picture tube of a common television set. Charged particle of both signs flows in ionized gases of fluorescent lamp, in the batteries of radios, and in semiconductor, in calculator, and in chips that control microwave oven. In current electricity, it is based on the motion of electron through the conductor. The electron flowing through the conductor or moving electron through the conductor constitute an electric current. We may define electric current. The electric charge flowing per second through the conductor is called electric current. It is generally denoted by I, capital I. Let in time t second, charge q coulomb flowing through the conductor. Then we may write I equal to q by t. That is electric current equal to charge by time. Since we know that q equal to n, where n is integer and q is charge on electron, therefore I equal to ne by t. We may also call the rate of change in charge flowing through the conductor is called electric current. The rate of charge, that is I equal to dq by dt, or dq equal to I dt on integrating dq equal to I dt, limit 0 to t, or q equal to I dt, 0 to t. Using this formula, we calculate the charge if we have given an equation of time, I in terms of time. Now, the unit of an electric current. Unit of an electric current is coulomb per second. Coulomb per second. That is called ampere. 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb by 1 second. 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb by 1 second. Its dimension is I, or M0, L0, T0, I. Dimension. Current is a fundamental unit, fundamental quantity. Current, electric current is a fundamental quantity. Electric current, electric current is a electric current is a scalar quantity, since it does not obey the vector rule. Now, next term, we discuss drift velocity. Drift velocity. Drift drift velocity. The average velocity of an electron by which it moves through the conductor under the influence of electric field is called drift velocity. The average velocity of an electron by which it moves through the conductor under the influence of electric field is called drift velocity. It is specially named for electron. It is generally denoted by Vd. It is generally denoted by Vd. Let an electron of mass m moves through the conductor under the influence of electric field. Then the acceleration produced on electron A equal to minus E by m. We have E equal to F by Q, or F equal to QE. We may write F equal to MA and Q be written as minus E. Therefore, A equal to minus E by m. This is the acceleration produced on electron moving through the conductor. If U is the thermal velocity, if U equal to thermal velocity, then from equation of motion, V1 equal to U1 plus AT1, V2 equal to U2 plus AT2, V3 equal to U3 plus AT3, and so on. Velocity of last electron Vn equal to Un plus Atn. The average of all the above term, which may also called as drift velocity of electron, that is the average velocity of electron, drift velocity Vd equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus Vn by n. Now putting the value of above mentioned V1, V2, V3 U1 AT1 V2 U2 plus AT2 V3 U3 plus AT3 Vn plus Atn by n. Separating these two terms, initial velocity u1, u2, u3 plus un by n. The next term, the second term is by taking common a t1, t2, t3 plus tn by n. If initially the electron is at rest, then first term is 0. Then this first term is 0. Therefore, Vd equal to 0 plus A. This term is written as tau, or Vd equal to 0 plus A tau, where tau is the relaxation time. Tau is the relaxation time. Vd equal to A tau. Where T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus Tn by n equal to tau. Tau is the relaxation time. Relaxation time. It is defined as the average time that elapses since the electron suffered its last collision is called relaxation time. It is denoted by tau. Now from equation first we put the value of A. Then we get Vd equal to minus E tau by m. This is the formula for drift velocity. Vd equal to minus E tau by m. Now we have to obtain relation between electric current and drift velocity. Relation between electric current and drift velocity. Relation between electric current and drift velocity. That is I and Vd. Let PQ is a conductor. Let PQ is a conductor through which current of strength I ampere. Let PQ is a conductor of length L and area of cross section A, through which current of strength I ampere will flow along P to Q. Then electrons are drifted opposite to the flow of current. That is, electron moves opposite to the flow of current. That is, from Q to P. Electrons are drifted from Q to P. The, the electron moves in the conductor opposite to the flow of current. The number of electrons per unit volume is n. Then total number of electron in the conductor n equal to nv. Since v equal to al, NaL. Therefore, total charge of the conductor Q equal to Ne, NaLe. We have Q equal to NaLe. The time taken by electron in crossing the conductor. T equal to L by Vd. T equal to L by Vd. From the definition of electric current, I equal to, we have I equal to Q by T. Now putting value of Q and T. NaLe L by Vd. NaE Vd. I equal to NaE Vd. It is evident that I proportional Vd. That is, electric current is directly proportional to the drift velocity of electron. Next term, current density. The electric current flowing per unit cross section of the conductor, per unit cross sectional area of the conductor. The electric current flowing per unit cross sectional area through the conductor is called current density. It is generally denoted by J. If I equal to current flowing through the conductor and A equal to cross sectional area, then J equal to I by A. That is, current density equal to current density equal to current, electric current by cross sectional area. Cross sectional area. We have I equal to NaE Vd. Therefore, J equal to NaE Vd by A. Ne Vd. J equal to Ne Vd. It is evident that J directly proportional to Vd. That is, current density is also proportional to drift velocity of electron. Next term, mobility of electron. Mobility of electron. Mobility of the drift velocity per unit electric field is called mobility of electron. It is generally denoted by mu. If Vd equal to drift velocity. Drift velocity. And E equal to electric field. Then mobility of electron, shortly we say mobility, mu equal to Vd by E. We have Vd equal to minus E tau by m. Therefore, mu equal to minus E tau by m. E cancel, minus E tau by m. This is the formula for mobility of electron. Now I discuss the remaining in next lecture.